Hello and greetings from Venice. I'm Georgia, your future guide. So, what is there to do in this beautiful town? Let me show you. When you book the Serenissima tour, you get to see the best of St.Mark Square, the Golden Basilica and the Doge's Palace. We will first walk through St.Mark Square, famously frequented by personalities such as Casanova and Napoleon. We will then enter the Golden Basilica with skip the line tickets, subsequently exploring the former White House of Venice, the Doge's Palace, where we are right now. One of the questions that we get the most as tour guides in Venice is how come the city, and St.Mark Square in particular, floods so often? Well, the demonstration, the reason is in front of your eyes. Generally speaking, you can say that St.Mark Square lies beneath the average level that the water reaches during high tide hours. The standard level is 80 centimeters above the medium sea level. The square is at like 65-75 centimeters, so it often happens that the lagoon water flows up from the lagoon through the drainage pipes, jutting out, emerging from the manholes in the square. I look forward to meeting you, so please book La Serenissima tour at the earliest or send us an email if you need more information. See you soon in Venice. Goodbye!